Sometimes it's as simple as getting it right, man. You know
Yep.
what I'm saying? We stand in line, we pay all this money for sneakers, and we just want them to get it right. I posted a short. I was talking about the D-Boss and M-Boss signs that come on the Union Jordan ones that people were saying they was real fake. Come to find out, we got an update. Bruh, this was a factory mistake by Nike and Jordan brand and Union. In fact, this was a mistake by the manufacturer. Some came with a stamp logo instead of an emboss logo. What I mean by that is, this is the stamp logo. This is the one that I would be mad if I got. And then this is the emboss logo. Just it completely changed the dynamic of this sneaker, in my humble opinion. It's no way I would be happy with this. Or if I got one or the other, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, we got to talk about this, man. Which one would y'all prefer? Would y'all stand in line and get a stamp pair and be like, okay, you know what? I'm keeping it.
Nope.
Or would you want Nike to fix this, man? Because I feel like they should fix this. I feel like this is something that they should correct, especially at the price point we're paying. And they put a certain image of this sneaker being portrayed out there. And for us to get a stamp instead of emboss, come on, man. The quality don't even look the same. But hey, let's talk about it.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology.
What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're gonna be having a discussion about the highly anticipated, I can't believe I'm saying about our Air Jordan 1, but the Air Jordan 1 Union Fragment collab. And this one's going to be this is gonna be a crazy video, man. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. Now, as you guys can see on the screen, it says major quality issues, control issues. He waited 4 hours and got a stamp logo instead of an emboss logo. So it was a certain look that we were looking for when it came to this Jordan Union 1 Fragment collab. And to get a pair that has a sticker instead of an emboss logo, let me show you guys exactly. You know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see right here, this is the stamp logo. It just looks like it looks cheap, in my opinion. You feel what I'm saying? And then this is the emboss logo. Just looks so much better. It makes the leather quality look so much better. It just looks more premium. I don't know if I would have waited in 4 hours in line to get the stamp pair and being okay with doing that, man, and had to pay the money for it. Now, I don't know if one pair was stamped and the other one was embossed. I don't know if it was kind of like a mix, or it's just showing that he got the stamp pair in general and didn't get the emboss one. And I don't know if the emboss one is going to be an exclusive pair. I don't know what's going on. But for them to be stamping the logo on a sneaker, in my opinion, is crazy work. Like, that's not what they should be doing. I feel like Union and Jordan brand and all that stuff, they have prided themselves on quality. And I'm not saying the stamp is not quality, but it's not the type of quality that we've come to expect from Union. You feel what I'm saying? Especially when their shoes are so hyped and sought after. I just feel like you gotta do this right. It has to be perfect. $205 is the retail. They still in line plus taxes. You're looking at almost a $250 sneaker. And to wait in line, I'm pretty sure it was cold. I don't know the dynamics. People's probably acting ignorant and all that stuff. And to get a pair that is not what you wanted, I just feel like that's crazy, in my opinion. But y'all let me know, is this something that y'all would keep just because it's not that big of a deal? Or is this an automatic? It's gotta go. You know what I'm saying? Somebody's gonna have to fix this. I need the emboss logo because it looks more premium. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us.